Tired of struggling with your DIY projects or construction work because of not having the right tools? Look no further, because in this video, you will see 10 hardware tools that will make your work easier and more efficient. From foam board stapler to Menbo grip, these tools are essential for any DIY enthusiast or professional contractor. So grab a notepad and pen, and let's dive into these 10 hardware tools that will help your work. So let's get started. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. 1. Extensor Pack More. Extensor Pack More is a versatile and innovative packing tool that is designed to simplify and streamline the packing process. This product is perfect for anyone who frequently travels, moves houses, or simply wants to keep their belongings organized. The Extensor Pack More allows users to pack more items in less space, thanks to its unique design that allows it to compress clothes and other soft items, while also providing the additional organization with its compartments and pockets. With the Extensor Pack More, you can say goodbye to messy and cluttered suitcases and hello to stress-free packing. This product is durable, lightweight, and easy to use, making it the perfect addition to any traveler's toolkit. Whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or a long-term move, the Extensor Pack More is sure to make your life easier and your packing more efficiently. 2. Gutster Demo Bar. The Gutster Bar is a superior demolition tool with a unique design that allows users to maintain an almost vertical stance while demolishing. This means less strain on your back and a faster, more effective demolition process. This 1.5 meters pry bar has an additional weight, which provides great momentum when removing hardwood flooring. It has been manufactured using high-quality materials, strong enough to handle even the toughest demolition jobs. The nail puller at the back of the head allows you to easily remove nails while you go, without the need for bending over. The demo bar straddles the stud, joist, beam, making the fulcrum point used for prying a stable position. The head has spear-shaped points to get under hardwood and also works well for piercing drywall. The wheels on this Gutster Demo Bar allow you to roll the bar easily across the floor, which means it can even double as a hand truck. 3. Elcometer Rolling Spinning Prop. The Elcometer range of digital coating thickness gauges has been specifically designed to provide highly accurate, reliable, and repeatable coating thickness measurements on almost any substrate, whether ferrous or non-ferrous. Dry film thickness can be measured on either magnetic steel surfaces or non-magnetic metal surfaces, such as stainless steel or aluminum, using a digital coating thickness gauge. The principle of electromagnetic induction is used for non-magnetic coatings on magnetic substrates such as steel. The eddy current principle is used for non-conductive coatings on non-ferrous metal substrates. 4. Malco Foam Board Stapler. The Malco PWACE1 PEX stapler for wood and foam board is the perfect tool for installing in-floor radiant heating. This easy-loading and portable manual stapler includes a magazine feed and operates from a standing position to quickly secure a layout of PEX pipe to a wooden subfloor or foam board base. The stapler head holds the PEX in place as staples are fed, via a non-stick polymer slide to the plunger assembly. The durable, lightweight magazine slide is made of a solid, one-piece engineered polymer that balances the tool by directing the weight over the stapler head. Loading strips of 25 staples are joined together flush with a clean plastic weld to further enhance smooth stapling action. 5. Nexus Portable Power Station. This battery-powered generator has all the power of conventional gas generators and then some, minus the fumes and noise of traditional generators. This Ego 56-volt, 3000-watt Nexus portable power station is perfect if you tailgate or need something to have on hand in case of an emergency. The EGO Nexus power station will power a TV, microwave, and full-sized refrigerator. Plus, it's great for any camping trip. The LED display will show the remaining runtime while you run power from the 4 USB ports or 3 120-volt AC outlets. It comes with 2 EGO Power Plus ARC lithium 6.5Ah batteries and can charge up to 4 EGO batteries. 6. Nailer for Framing Connectors. If you're still nailing or screwing joist hangers, rafter hurricane clips, or any other metal connectors to wood, consider investing in a metal connector nailer. One of these will save you hours of painstaking screw driving or hand nailing, and smashed fingers. The Bostitch Strapshot 250 is a great option. Its compact size lets you fire nails into spots most other connector nailers can't. With this design, you insert the actual nail tip into the connector opening and pull the trigger, a surefire system. The Strapshot 250 can fire both 1 to 1 or 2 inches and 2 to 1 or 2 inches nails, but if you only use 1 to 1 or 2 inches nails, save a few bucks and get the Strapshot 150. 7. Fast Cap Scribing Tool. Fast Cap Scribing Tool is a handy and versatile tool that is designed to help carpenters, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts achieve accurate scribing with ease. It is a simple yet powerful tool that allows you to transfer precise measurements from one surface to another with speed and accuracy. The tool's design includes an adjustable arm that can be moved up and down to match the contours of the surface you are working on. The arm is fitted with a carbide tip that creates a sharp and accurate line when tracing along the surface. Additionally, the tool comes with a locking mechanism that allows you to lock the arm in place once you've found the correct position. What makes the Fast Cap Scribing Tool unique is its versatility. It can be used on a wide variety of materials, including wood, tile, laminate, and even metal. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around, and its durable construction ensures that it will last for years to come. 8. Eimer Group Window Hoist Prop. The Eimer Group Window Hoist Prop is a powerful and efficient tool for lifting and lowering windows and other construction materials on the job site. With a maximum load capacity of 200 kg and a lifting height of up to 30 meters, this hoist prop is perfect for use in high-rise buildings and other tall structures. The Eimer Group Window Hoist Prop is designed for easy operation and can be quickly and easily set up and dismantled. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to transport and maneuver on the job site, while its sturdy construction ensures safe and reliable operation. Whether you're working on a small-scale construction project or a large commercial building, the Eimer Group Window Hoist Prop is an excellent choice for your lifting needs. Its powerful motor and advanced safety features make it a reliable and efficient tool that can help you get the job done quickly and safely. 9. Metmo Grip. The Metmo Grip is a versatile and innovative tool that can be used for a variety of tasks in the construction, automotive, and DIY industries. This unique tool features a durable, non-slip grip that allows you to securely hold and manipulate objects of various sizes and shapes, making it ideal for tasks such as holding pipes, removing oil filters, and tightening nuts and bolts. The Metmo Grip is made from high-quality materials, including a reinforced nylon body and stainless steel jaws, which ensure its durability and long-lasting performance. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use, while its adjustable jaws can accommodate objects up to 50 millimeters in diameter. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, the Metmo Grip is a must-have tool that can help you work more efficiently and effectively. Its ergonomic design and reliable performance make it a valuable addition to any toolbox or workshop. 10. Zunder Tool. The Zunder Drywall Banjo Taping Tool is a popular and effective tool used in the drywall taping process. It is designed to help professional drywallers and DIY enthusiasts to achieve professional results in a fraction of the time it would take to tape drywall by hand. The Zunder Banjo Taping Tool is made of high-quality materials and is built to last. It features an adjustable mud flow control dial, which allows users to regulate the amount of mud that flows onto the tape, reducing wastage and making the taping process more efficient. The large capacity bucket holds enough mud to tape an entire room without the need for frequent refills. One of the unique features of the Zunder Drywall Banjo Taping Tool is its patented toolless tape change system. This feature allows users to easily swap out the tape without the need for additional tools. This saves time and makes the taping process smoother and more efficient. Overall, the Zunder Drywall Banjo Taping Tool is a must-have tool for anyone looking to tackle drywall taping projects with speed and ease. In conclusion, these 10 hardware tools we have discussed in this video are essential for anyone who works with hardware, whether you are a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast. From the versatile Zunder tool to the innovative Metmo Grip and powerful Eimer Group Window Hoist Prop, these tools are designed to help you work more efficiently and effectively. By investing in these tools, you can save time and effort on your projects while achieving professional quality results. So whether you are building, repairing, or renovating, make sure you have these 10 essential hardware tools in your arsenal to make your work easier and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.